In this video we are going to talk about will cryptocurrency recover? So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The prices of Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, along with those of other cryptocurrencies, have dramatically decreased as of the 24th day of January, 2022. On the morning of January 24, 2022, the bulk of the biggest cryptocurrencies were still recuperating from the market meltdown that occurred the day before. The recent market crash, which affected traders and investors all over the world, caused Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other important cryptocurrencies to lose a lot of value very quickly. It comes after a number of cryptocurrencies hit record highs at different times in 2021. For example, the price of one Bitcoin token recently hit a high of £50,546.71 before big drops. 3 months after buying $1.5 billion, £1.06 billion worth of cryptocurrency, the electric car company Tesla stopped taking it as payment for its goods. This caused the cryptocurrency market to crash in the summer. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, made the announcement on Twitter that the company was changing its policy to no longer accept the cryptocurrency due to environmental concerns around the mining process of Bitcoin. This event had a wide range of effects. Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and XRP were among the cryptocurrencies that were hurt the most. Why did the crypto market crash? After Tesla's move, the market was already in a volatile state, and before China's crackdown on cryptocurrencies, which caused prices to drop, the industry was already going through rough times. The Chinese government told all of the country's banks and other financial institutions that they couldn't sell or buy cryptocurrencies or help their customers do anything else related to them. The country's financial industry groups also said that people shouldn't trade on speculation. The National Internet Finance Association of China, the China Banking Association, and the Payment and Clearing Association of China all came out with the same statement. The following is an excerpt from what it said. Recently, the values of cryptocurrencies have surged and collapsed, and speculative trading of cryptocurrencies has rebounded, dangerously infringing on the safety of people's property and disturbing the normal economic and financial order. In the most recent round of restrictions on cryptocurrencies, China has ordered that all Bitcoin mining operations in the province of Sichuan be completely shut down and has instructed banks to stop supporting cryptocurrency transactions. This has resulted in a precipitous drop in the price of cryptocurrencies. What price did Bitcoin drop to? The fall caused the price of Bitcoin to plunge to £21,719.56 at around 10:45 a.m. on July 20th. This is approximately half of the value it had on April 14, 2021, when it reached its all-time high of £47,240.05. The price had a huge dip and returned to levels seen in the middle of January 2021, before the cryptocurrency enjoyed a prosperous 3-month period that caused its value to rise. The announcement that Tesla had purchased $1.5 billion, £1.06 billion, of Bitcoin shares boosted its valuation, which, in turn, drove the market price of both the cryptocurrency and Tesla soaring to new heights. But when Tesla changed its policy and said it would no longer accept Bitcoin as payment for its products, it set off a downward spiral for Bitcoin and other digital currencies, which caused them to drop by 21.43%. According to the website CoinMarketCap.com, Ethereum went down 35.56%, Binance Coin went down 45.2%, Dogecoin went down 35.12%, Uniswap went down 45.42%, and Litecoin went down 44.55%. Since then, there have been a variety of shifts, including a decline of 7.66% in the market in the 24 hours leading up to 12:45 p.m. on Monday, January 24, 2022. Will the crypto market recover, and when? It seems to be the topic of conversation for everyone right now. When and if the cryptocurrency market recovers, as well as whether or not you should stay or twist your positions. There are a variety of viewpoints and responses to those issues, so it is important to make decisions based on what is most beneficial for you and your particular set of circumstances. Bitcoin's value has increased by 255.65% in the last year, according to Coinbase. This is the case even when the cryptocurrency market crashes that occurred on May 19 and June 8 are taken into account. Will Terra Luna recover? On Twitter, Terra founder Do Kwon pleaded with the cryptocurrency community to have patience as the price of numerous top coins continued to fall. Investors in Terra, Luna, are reportedly panicking after the cryptocurrency's value dropped by more than 98% in a single day earlier this week. After reaching a high of £120.98 a month ago, the price of Terra, which had previously been one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of value, dropped below $1.82 on Wednesday, May 11th. The abrupt collapse caused its market value to fall from about $40 billion, £32.9 billion, to only $500 million, £411 million, which resulted in catastrophic losses. The question then is, what caused its value to plummet to such an extreme degree, and will it ever recover? Billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried claims that the cryptocurrency market won't sink to zero and will return alongside stocks, despite the fact that he has lost half of his net worth in 2022. The majority of cryptocurrency markets have reached a stable state. Over the course of the previous day and a half, more than $200 billion worth of wealth was wiped out by the market. As the Terra USD (UST) stablecoin fell far below its $1 peg, it put more downward pressure on the market as a whole. This caused Bitcoin (BTC) to drop below the $30,000 mark and reach $26,597. But there is no need to be concerned because the value of cryptocurrencies won't reach zero, according to Sam Bankman-Fried, who spoke with Fortune. Even though his wealth has been cut in half since the end of March, the crypto billionaire, who is 30 years old, is unconcerned about the situation. According to Bloomberg's Billionaires Index, his net worth is approximately $11.3 billion at the present time. In an email to Fortune, the CEO of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX, Bankman-Fried, stated that crypto markets have basically steadied, despite whatever happens in traditional markets. When he said that cryptocurrency markets will respond in relation to traditional markets, he was making a reference to modulo, which is an operation in mathematics. Therefore, if the stock market improves, I believe the cryptocurrency market will follow suit. If the stock market keeps falling, it's possible that Bitcoin will as well, he remarked. The Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency with the highest market value, has been moving in tandem with traditional markets as of late. The correlation between Bitcoin, the S&P, AMP wink with tongue sticking out 500, and the Nasdaq has reached all-time highs in recent months. Bitcoin has been acting in a way that is similar to how a tech stock would. According to a report that was published by the New York Times on Wednesday, the 30-day moving average of the Bitcoin-Nasdaq score has been getting closer and closer to a precise 1-to-1 correlation ever since January 1st. It hit 0.82 this week. This connection became increasingly clear after the Federal Reserve said a week ago that it planned to raise interest rates by 0.5 percentage point. After that, a general sell-off on the stock market caused the price of Bitcoin to go down, which is still happening today. This week, markets took a sudden U-turn following the meeting of the Federal Reserve, Lucas Altamiro, head of research at Into the Block, said in the company's newsletter on Friday. This week, markets took a sudden U-turn following the meeting. Once again, stock market indices and cryptocurrency prices moved in unison. The stock market got off to a terrible start this morning, but it looks like things have begun to turn around. Following an earlier drop of more than 350 points on Thursday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average traded 60 points, which corresponds to a loss of 0.2%. The S&P, AMP wink with tongue sticking out 500 and the Nasdaq Composite have both gained today, with the S&P, AMP wink with tongue sticking out 500 up 0.7% and the Nasdaq Composite up 1.2%. In the past hour, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 2%, and it is currently trading at roughly $29,383. Ether, the second most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, has also increased by 2.1% in the same timeframe and is now trading at $1,996. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.